Hey y'all, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own face mask from home. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So to start off, you're only going to need two things. You're going to need like some type of fabric. I'm using this bandana that I have, and you're going to need some elastic hair bands. I picked both of these up at Dollar Tree a while ago, so that's where I got these. I don't know if your local Dollar Tree has them, but I start out by laying out the bandana and folding it in half, bringing each side halfway in, if that makes sense. And then I flip it over and I do the exact same thing on the other side. And then I'm going to take my two elastic bands and I'm going to put one on each side of the bandana. I don't want to undo the folds that I've made in the bandana. I just want to get the band on there. And for the last part, I just take each side and fold it in. You could leave it like this and just fold each side on top of each other, but it does become undone. And so what I like to do is, you'll see me doing it here, I just tuck one side into the other. That way it's a little bit more stable, has a little bit more stability. And yeah, this is what the finished product looks like. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and I hope that it was helpful. Please remember to stay safe, practice social distancing, wash your hands regularly, and I hope everybody is doing well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all.